Question is 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2, huh? Upon 48 plus root 18 is equal to a plus b root 6. Find a and b. ठीक है. First thing, whenever such question came, we have to solve this and make this look like this. So we can compare, huh? So take left hand side, that is 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 root 48 plus root 18. Okay, whenever such big numbers come inside the root, you should simplify, do the factors of this. So this is basic. This is what is that? Prime numbers. So factors, do the prime factorization of these big numbers. Okay, so that will be 4 root 3 plus, so these two numbers are already prime numbers, so there is a last factor. Those are the last factors, we cannot break those, right? So root 48 we can write 2 into what we can write 48, do the factorization, 2 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 2 12 2 6 2 3. Okay, then 3 1, so we have 2 times 2 power 4, into 3 plus root 18 we can write 2 into 3 power 2. Okay, now we have 4 root 3 5 root 2. Whenever such question or any question which have big numbers, non-prime numbers, so make it factorize those in prime factorization, huh? Now we have 2 power 4, we can 2 power 4, so how much power will come outside the root? Whenever some even number power comes inside the, whenever any even number power comes inside the root, we can take half the power, so it will come outside, it will become 2 power 2. Okay, then root 3 is alone, plus 3 will come outside, 3 root 2. Understood? So what we have now, 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 upon 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, now to make it looking like this, we have to what is that, what do you call that? We have to rationalize this one, right? So need to multiply. Understood this one? Need to multiply by this one, 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Okay, to make it a square minus b square. 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. What is the formula? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b, right? So this is a plus b, this is a minus b. So what we will do, we will multiply the above numbers. So 4 2 is 8, root 3 3, so 8 into 3, this one and this one, plus and minus minus, 4 3 is 12, 12 into root 6, root 3 into root 2. If you multiply roots, same roots, then it can go inside, right? So 4 3 is 12, root 3 into root 2, root 6. Understood? Now this multiply done, now need to multiply this one. So 5 2 is plus plus plus, 5 2 is 10, root 3 into root 2, plus minus minus, 5 3 is 15, root 2 into root 2 2. Okay, understood this one? Now this will become 2 root 3 whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square. Understood? Now 8 3 is 24, and this will become, okay, minus 12 root 6 and plus 10 root 6. What will be the answer? Minus 2 root 6, and what is the remaining? Minus 30, right? Then what we have, 2 2 is 4 into 3 minus 3 3s are 9 into 2. Understood this one? So what we have now? Minus 2 root 6 and plus and minus 30, it will be 6. काय का? Minus का. Understood? What we have now? 12 minus 18. Okay. So both are minus number. We need plus. We can take common. Okay. So minus, if we took common, minus 2 we can take, right? Because both are having common factors, right? So 2 took common. Why we took common? To make it plus, because we have plus. So 2 took common. So we have root 6 plus 2 3s are 3. Understood this one? Here we have 18 minus 12. What?
minus 6.
Minus 6. Minus cancel because it's in multiply. We cannot cut. If minus is here, we cannot cut that, right? So what we have? 2 3s are. So what we have now? So root 6 is written behind. So we will write there. So 3 plus root 6 upon 3 we have. But we need to separate this. Root 6 element should be separate and the remaining element should be separate. So write that. What we have now? 3 upon 3 plus root 6 upon 3. This 3 cancel. 1 plus this we can write 1 by 3 root 6. Understood? That is, what was the right hand side value? That a plus b root 6. This is right hand side, right? From the question. So if we compare these two numbers, comparing both side, what we have? A equal to
1.
1, b equal to
1 by
1 by 3. Answer. Understood?